Hi guys, Carspark 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. We got two of them, and I just showed up not too long ago. And these two are quite special. Oh, we're gonna start with this one. This is the final new casting for 2023, and I've been looking for this one and for some time. Never get to find it in stores, and so I had to get it on eBay. And the car we're looking at right here is a Porsche 911 Turbo. A tuned out edition. So yeah, we got our tuned Porsche that I've been looking for for months. And so this is the final new casting for 2023. And I'm so glad I finally got one of these. So we're going to take a look at the back of the card, find out something about it. Here we go. So here we go. This one is from Starter. Right. Germany, as always. Porsche actually made this one. Take a look at this. This is also the legendary 930 Turbo. That's tuned up. A turbocharged icon command respect. You can't look away because of its broken wide a wheel arches and whale tail spoiler make this car a real eye catcher. Woo! That is up in there. Okay, guys, turning in the box and get a closer look at it. Here we go. Oh, there we go. That ain't long at all. Alright, there we go, you guys. The Porsche, Tooned Porsche. Oh, the 911 Turbo 3.6. Tuna edition. That's the look. They with the detail for the front and side. The Porsche badge, turning signals, those headlights, and the light display itself. It says 164 Turbo. Right on the license plate itself. Oh, we got details in the rear too. With the turbo, what's that? Porsche logo and the taillights, of course, and it's the same thing on the license plate as well. 964 Turbo. Quite hard to see, but it's there. Love those two exhaust tips. That is really standing out on this one. And I'll take a look at the side of this one. It's something a lot bigger on the island tour that we know of. Oh yeah. This one was built in 1993. Like 30 years ago. Oh. The wheels look very good to it, though. I love how high the cab is. Big. Right there. So, what you guys think to this tuned-out Porsche? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and I'll see you guys in my next unboxing video. We got a very special one coming out next. And so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.